What is up, Rocky River High School? Before we even get into the video, you already know what to do. Like and subscribe. Smash that like button right now.
We just left the high school an hour ago, and now we're heading to the Great Lakes Championships. Everyone's in the car.
Woo!
We just made our first stop.
First one.
Got some Burger King.
Got some
Hey, get the nuggets.
Got those chicken nuggets. We're about to get in the car. It's pretty sunny out right now, considering it's gonna rain all weekend. So
Unfortunately.
we'll see you in Chicago.
Too cold though.
All right, we're back.
We're finally rolling up to the building.
Just got back to the yacht club again after a pretty decent car ride. It's not raining here yet, which is good. It's just city in the background. Should be a good weekend.
For sure.
We're walking up right now. Yeah, for sure, trying to get that dub. We're walking up right now. There's our team. Let's see what we can. Let's see what we can do here. All right, guys, let's go sailing.
Everything around me freeze. The money, dollar bill, y'all, cash. Everything around me freeze. Get the money. Dollar bill, y'all. Everything around me freeze. Get the money, dollar bill, y'all, cash. Everything around me freeze. Get the money. Dollar bill, y'all.
After a long day of sailing, nothing's better than deep dish pizza.
Oh yeah.
Some great
Chicago.
pizza.
You deep dish.
You deep dish, yeah. Got the whole team here. Well, we got up extra early to come sailing at this regatta, and it's just miserable. It's raining just so hard right now, and it's not looking like we're gonna sail. Oh, there's some lightning. I'll come back with an update. And we're back, waiting to go sailing.
Got the sunglasses on, but we probably won't need them because it is sunny. Not.
There's our coach.
Hey Sam.
Sam, say hi.
What's
up? It is just crazy out here. The conditions are rugged.
Everything around me freeze. Get the money, dollar bill, y'all, cash. Everything around me freeze. Get the money. Dollar bill, y'all.
there's some serious drama with the llama right now. There's all the sailboats over there. We're gonna give you the breakdown of what's going on.
There's no drama with the llama. We are in between sets. The pin boat battery just died, so we're moving that around, and Breeze shifted hard to the right. So now it's just very odd positioning for the race course. Very, very shifty day, and we're going to continue to be so as the Breeze dies throughout the day.
So pretty much for a breakdown, the wind's coming from behind us right here. And this barge right here is blocking it. It's blocking all those sailboats. See the sailboat right in front of us? It's blocking the wind for that sailboat to use. Just blocking it right up. And so what's going on is the wind's kind of coming around like that, and around that way. So we'll see how it goes. And we're back. I didn't shower this morning, so I'm feeling kind of grimy. But another early morning, and there's no breeze today whatsoever.
That's not true.
We're still
Plenty of
sailing.
breeze. Plenty of breeze.
Plenty of breeze. 3 to 5. 3 to 5 breeze.
Let me take this. Spencer didn't take a shower, but you know, the rain is gonna do it for him. It's always gonna be natural showers. Yeah, that's all we need. Some natural stuff, some natural clean water. Unlike Lake Erie. Look at this. So nice here in Chicago. All this fog, beautiful. All these boats. Going sailing. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. What would you say? Good day?
Oh, amazing day.
There we go.
Ellie, what do you think? It's going to be a good day?
Amazing. There we go. You heard it. You heard it here first. Best day. Alright, so we're out here, visuals with Ian. Looking up the course, we see a lot of fog, but a lot of pressure on the right side. This pressure is deceiving because there's land on the left side, which is curving the wind to the left, making the left side favored. We're going to have to play the right side with the pressure and also try to get left to get that shift and cross the fleet. That's race 1 for you. We'll see what happens.
Everybody wave at the drone.
It's going down. There is a drone.
That drone
We're on postponement right now, which basically means we're waiting for the wind to pick up. And Natalie's single-handedly driving this boat.
Oh yeah.
what a beast.
These sails are kind of blocking the view of the city, but it's looking awesome. The city's looking real mysterious right now. That's pretty cool though. There's absolutely no breeze out here. Everyone's just bobbing around. We got our whole team in the boat. I don't know where Libby is though.
Doing homework.
Libby's doing homework.
We're student athletes.
No, we're not student athletes, we're just athletes.
Hey, push the tiller away. Tiller away. Tiller away. You're steering this. Away.
Oh shit.
Away. 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 Yeah, away from.
You.
That.
Tiller towards trouble.
Away from me.
Away from us.
Kind of freaking out. Not liking of that too many guys up in the boat.
No one knows how to freestyle.
Hop in, grab the bow line.
Add something to help us out, if you know what I mean. reaction shot.
Take it back here.